Alright, welcome to the Musicator station. Today I want to show you how to play your C sharp major scale, a very important scale to try. Alright, let me get into this thing without much ado. The first note here will be the tone of C sharp. So we have C sharp. That's D sharp. That's F. That's F sharp. That's G sharp. That's A sharp. That's C. So in the ascending order we have So you may want to stick around this scale by checking some kind of scale exercises. Alright, you may try the chord tone first. I'm playing the C sharp, I played the F, then G sharp and C. Then you may also want to try your scale might be in D ascending order. So I'm just playing from the C sharp, high octave of C sharp, a kind of 3-note succession downward. So I played the 8, the 7 and the 6. Then from the 7th I go down another 3 notes, then another 3 note down, 3 note down. Alright, that's the size of the lesson for today. Enjoy, happy shredding. Please do well to subscribe to this channel as a form of support if you've not done that. Happy shredding.